Welcome to Dishraka channel. So here, lot of people working on the Facebook option. In the Facebook option, how is working for the content will be sharing purpose. So sir, I'm unable to sharing this option and everything. A lot of people is asking about this option. First of all, Facebook will be two things. We can sharing for Facebook page to Facebook page and group also. So before sharing, we have the option will be two things. To page sharing, to profile sharing. Two options will be there. So Facebook page content, one of the any content you can sharing from the Facebook page to page, group to group, I'll show you here. What are the options are mainly focused by the YouTube channel option. So I can open the manage videos. Any video you can select. What are the video you want? You can select that particular video. The video mainly purpose to share your groups and to share your content. And if you want not showing for complete video, just you can sharing for image too, you can sharing for number of option also. You can prepare one content will be here. The content will be using by Facebook option or Facebook Create Studio. In this, we can using for Facebook and Instagram also. Two things will be given this option. So in this right now, I had open channel here videos. These are content. Select get link here. Create post in Creator Studio. Post on Facebook. First we can option. An option will be selected here. What are the options are here? We can use this particular option. In this, here is my content was posting will be here. Next, what are the content you can copy here from this? All the link is there. Now click for post option. Where is done by post on your particular Facebook business page. N number of image. You can select him for N number of images. Now here. Just look into here. It's taking some time to post your content on your Facebook business page option. Here, page to sharing, profile to sharing, so many different options are there. The completely will be different option will be using page to profile and profile to profile option. Just I'm only sharing will be page. Right now will be sharing page. They give when you're sharing time is asking for 3 groups. Any 3 groups you can add here. Which group is more adding on your particular through page with the link in. So more than 3 groups we can't post. Only up to 3 groups will be post here. After this option, if you're sharing through page, any content you have posting for in your particular page with page linking on groups, where you can find out the groups. Here linking will be groups will be, here is the option. Now we can sharing with the page option, only 2 options will be visible. Which option? Share to group and share to page. And same thing, if you're uploading video, option will be changed. Option will be more option here. Second thing is called copy link, embed, share via Twitter and WhatsApp. If any video uploading on the Facebook page, option will be changed. Image wise will be here. Suppose image, click for more option. This is also video. I'll go with the image option. Share, same, group and page. Link, group and page. Now click here, select your any page. What are the page you have? Select it. Upload with the including original post. Why? People will be follow the my main page option. Who will be posting this content into particular page option. That is the mainly focused by the in a particular channel here. See this one. If you not this, you can go to your post this option. These are nothing but in your particular page, you will be sharing by options. So you can go for the option will be groups. Select the group option. Here, click for post. Now select page here. So see this one. Where is the posting option? Where is the posting option? Is unable to, we can do will be, what is the posting will be there? We can simply will done by your posting will be here. So this will be done by your particular group option. What is the group? The post will be done. If I'm sharing will be page, is selecting any kind of pages are here. So which page you can selecting here? Select, including post, click for share. Which page is suitable more option into link with your particular page. Now click here, share to page and click this option. Here is. So the page will be insufficient for your particular page option. There is a mainly problem. If you're selecting as a profile was nothing to worry. Just click for share. They're showing number of options. Share and public, news feed, messenger, group, page, and friends timeline. Share with your page and click it this. This option will be mainly focused by this page is not valid from the in a particular content. There is a mainly problem. Remain everything is good. So page wise only sharing for page and group. Profile wise in a public, news feed, send in a messenger, groups, a page, and friends timeline. If you want to show any friends timeline, we can show your friends timeline also. Click this option. Any friends timeline, we can show this one. Click this post option, including original post. Click for page. So the post will be shown to the customer will be like this. Some other posting will be done here along with the original post. People interested to like your particular page option. That is the major important key point on the posting here. Nothing that. Second thing is called Facebook Creator Studio also will be supporting. Share the content will be Facebook page to page and particular options. If you go to the Creator Studio, what are the content you're posting here? Select it. Carefully find out where you can find out the share option. Down it, share will be shared in group and page. Selecting will be here. That only will be selecting will be here option. If you go to the profile, click for share, same public, share, message, group, friends timeline, page option. So profile wise, page wise, completely different. So page wise, we can't share your profile timeline, other friends timeline. We can own the tagging will be possible. If I'm selecting will be page wise will be different. Now I'm click. Here will be check with your page. There will be post will be your other pages with your profile option. So that is called mostly will be posting with the page to page is more affected by the, you can reach your audience page to page. If your profile also will be most interested other friends timeline, you can use your Facebook profile option also. So clear guys, if you're using Facebook Creator Studio or Facebook business page, anything, page 2 will be sharing only page and groups. Profile will be sharing your news feed and your messenger, your friends timeline. Any option will be possible in a particular Facebook marketing purpose. There's nothing but increase your page likes, increase your website will be traffic, YouTube will be getting views on the particular audience purpose. So these are the mostly give the likes and posts and shares, everything visible to the customers to reach your audience on your particular business page to your YouTube channel option. That is the total performance will be given by the based on the sharing option. So what are the sharing? We can use the original page and click this option and share to the any audience here. So I'm clicking this option. I'll go with the share. I've done previous 5 share. Now I can go to share option. Any page we can sharing here. Here is option. Just page. Your manage or here is the option will be in this. This where and to create a studio. Suppose if you go to your particular page, what are the option? Only group and page option. If you come into create a studio, click for share option, share here. So what are the things are here? They give the one more options are there. Your timeline also. Your friends timeline also. How we can give this? Which profile you can share? Click this and post this option. I'll show you how is the option will be shown to the customers. So, but you can't view this login in a personal account. So that is the major one is the problem. So I can go with in his profile. You can check for the every option. This is a business page. We can't open here. Is it clear? In a Facebook Create Studio, in a sharing option, we have groups and page also there. And same thing will be given. Your timeline also you can share. Select it, post it, and post your option. Where you can visible, where you can particular post will be there. We can show to the customer will be here. Just now use your particular options. Is it clear? There as the options will be given on the particular posting will be into the page. So page wise and profile wise, lot of different. Page wise we can sharing only for page to page, but profile wise mostly will be visible only for profile and page also. So page to page we can only showing for the page information. Select it. I'll show example here. After uploading page, see this. They can't visible particular profile option. They only visible by the page option. Let us check here. So these are the options are very important when you are posting this here. Page will be showing. But in a previous time, what we can showing? Profile and page will be showing. So that is the small difference will be sharing to page and profile to sharing will be page option. If any further doubts, you can ask me to my channel. So sharing time, please be online. Page to page only possible when you're sharing page time. Profile time is compulsory showing your profile option. And each page link with your groups are very important. How is the link? Go to the groups. Here they will show option name is called link the group, create linked group. This is all option. Think about your page also creating your own groups. Profile also creating for your own groups. But what the reason? When you're sharing any content on your page, immediately will be sharing for 3 groups automatically when you're posting the content. So these are the important key point and keep it on your mind. Any doubts will be there. Please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. If any will be confused or any kind of things on your Facebook market time, you can contact me and definitely will be support how to post the content. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.